ग्रेटर पॅनजी PDA जे आमी उतर दिल्ले लोकांक ते आमी फुलफील केला. वी हॅव वॉक द टॉक. So people who might said will be getting a Easter gift on the eve of Easter. I have fulfilled my commitment. I have kept my word. So गोंयकारपणाचें राजकारण जे आमी घेवन वता तातूंत लोकांक आमी घात करना. जे कितें सांगलां तें आमी केल्लें आनी आज तें गॅजेट आउट जाल्लें. आय थिंक द पीपल शूड बी हॅपी. सगळे जे कितें गांव काडपाचें आसलें तें काडिल्लें आहा.
गोंय विद्यापीठाची जमीन PDAक दिल्या म्हूण आतां नवो इश्यू.
Why has the Goa University been used for PDA? कित्याक ताणें गोवा युनिवर्सिटी लँड सगळे ऑलमोस्ट 45 सर्वे numbers of Goa University land has been covered under this PDA, the present PDA, the new PDA that he has created. And पळय कितलो शाणो आसा तो. कालावुचे वाटेन जे पळय NDZ एरिया surveys number 239, 238, 237, 236 and 235 are all NDZ area. What is he doing with this NDZ area? Is he trying to change, or is he thinking of changing it later on? I want to tell TCP Minister and the government, please be aware of what you all are doing. You all are converting NDZ areas and you are converting natural covers. And this is going to happen. What happened in Kerala is going to repeat in Goa, because you are going to demolish all the hills and you are going to put concrete buildings there in front. So please, we will come out with a concrete plan in the near future, because we have done our study. We will target these individual builders and we will target these companies that are trying to rule Goa through this corporate industry. The only other option for us is to go to the court. And when we go to the court, we will go full bang and we will see that we get our results. Because that's the only other recourse that we can take in a democratic country.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस आणि भीमा पाटील.